Welcome my dear little friends, how are you? Hope you are well. Let's start the video. Here we will try to learn definition of velocity, its mathematical form, its symbolical representation, its SI unit, non-uniform and uniform velocities, and the differences between speed and velocity. So without wasting time, let's start the main part of the video. So velocity can be defined as the rate of change of displacement. What does it mean? It means that change in displacement with time. Therefore velocity can be written mathematically as displacement divided by time. Also it can be represented by symbols as v is equal to s by t, where v stands for velocity, a stands for displacement, and t stands for time. Since velocity is represented as displacement by time, its SI unit should be meter per second. Now remember that velocity is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. If direction is not mentioned anywhere, it becomes a speed. Therefore magnitude of velocity is said to be speed. Like speed, velocity may also be uniform and non-uniform, and this fact depends upon two factors. One is magnitude, the other one is direction. If the magnitude neither the magnitude nor the direction of any moving object changes, the velocity is always uniform. For example, if one object displaces so for example 5 meter in every 20 seconds in the same direction, see here direction is not changing, as well as its speed is also not changing, magnitude is also not changing, therefore the object will be having uniform velocity. Now when the moving object will have non-uniform velocity, there may be three cases. Case 1, if the magnitude of velocity changes but the direction remains unchanged. Let us take one example. If an object displaces in such a way that it displaces 5 meter in first 20 seconds, 10 meter in next 20 seconds, and 2 meter in third 20 seconds, equal interval of time, but unequal displacement in the same direction, that is also important. Time is also not changing, and the direction at the same time is not changing, but its displacement is changing. Means the distance, the path, length of the path it covers goes on changing. In this case also the object will be having uniform, non-uniform velocity. Another case where we have non-uniform velocity, where magnitude may remain same but its direction goes on changing, means speed remains same but the direction goes on changing. Suppose one object displaces in such a way that in every 20 seconds it moves, it covers 5 meter, but its direction goes on changing. In that case also it is said to have non-uniform velocity. Best example is our Earth. When Earth revolves around the Sun on its orbit, at every instant its direction goes on changing but its speed remains same. It is having non-uniform speed. And the case 3, where both magnitude and the velocity change. For example, if a car moves through a congested road, it needs to change its velocity, speed as well as the direction. Therefore its velocity will be non-uniform. Like average speed, we can calculate average velocity. For velocity can be variable, velocity can vary, as we have seen. For variable velocity we have to find out average velocity. How can we find out? Average velocity can be calculated as total displacement by total time taken. Let us take one example where it is asked that we have to find out the average velocity of a moving object in a particular time interval. Time interval we have to calculate from the question in a given direction. If it moves first 10 meter in 5 seconds and next 20 meter in 9 seconds. So the initial distance is 10 meter, final distance is 20 meter. Displacement therefore is 20 minus 10 meter, 20 meter minus 10 meter, 10 meter. Initial time taken is 5 seconds and final time taken is 9 seconds. Therefore total time interval is 9 minus 5 seconds, 4 seconds. So the calculation is average velocity is equal to 10 divided by 4, 2.5 meter per second in the given direction. This is the average velocity. Now we will try to differentiate between speed and velocity. See, by definition we can differentiate rate of change of distance, and velocity is rate of change of displacement. Physical quantity, speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Their magnitudes, speed can never be 0 or negative, but velocity can be 0 or negative. Direction, speed does not need any direction, that's why no direction is associated in the definition of speed, but direction is associated to velocity. And interrelation, the last point, speed may or may not be equal to velocity due to direction, but velocity, since velocity changes, that's why speed may or may not be equal to velocity if direction changes. But if in case of velocity, velocity may change even if its magnitude remains unchanged due to the same factor, direction. So this is our lesson. Thank you.